Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Loraine Marshall at Make Money Online Niches, and my website which you can check out. It's in the description below this video, which is makemoneyonline-niches.com. Now today I am going to take a look at a software product by the name of Charm. Now Charm is brought to you by Billy Darr, and the product launched on the 13th of October at 11 AM EST. And it's available in the special price of the launch period until Saturday, the 16th of October. So what I want to do is take a look at the sales page, then go over to my bonus page. Let's look at the front end price and the prices in the funnel and the bonuses that I have available if you decide to pick up Charm through my link, which will be the first link in the description box. So let's have a look at the sales page. But if you hang around, have a look a bit later in this video, I will be able to take you over to the members dashboard and we can have a little bit of the insider intel on Charm. So let's have a look at the sales page now. Okay, so here we are on the sales page for Charm, and the first thing we can see here is that if you decide to try and leave the page too early, then this will come up. It's a $4 discount off the front end price of Charm. So if we could just get rid of this, and then we can see what the sales page is about. So Charm is basically a traffic app which utilizes a platform by the name of Quora. Now Quora is a question and answer platform. It's got a massive amount of traffic. It's about 500 million visitors to the website, and we can just quickly take a look at Quora. This is Quora. It's like I say, question and answer. You've got all sorts of business groups in here as well. So like this one is a digital marketing toolbox group. And basically people go to Quora to ask questions if they're not sure what what they need, and then anyone can answer those questions. And so this is the platform that Charm is going to use to get viral traffic from, and it's automated. And so basically they're saying it's a one-click autopilot viral traffic. Early users are seeing insane results. You can get no tech skills needed. You can quit your job and be travel free. So the sales page a bit hypey. There's a free gift, a $500 gift that they're giving away. And basically there's a money back guarantee. Now there is some testimonials on the sales page. What I do know is that they've said that the price will increase every hour. The price is going up, and I don't know how much it will be after the end of this launch period, but it is going to increase. Now, basically, this is the world's first automated software for Quora. And they're saying it's an easy process. Step 1, activate, enter the website or affiliate link that you want to send your traffic to. Step 2, enjoy, witness the autopilot viral traffic pouring in 26 seconds. So they're making massive claims on this software that they've put together. So, I mean, I haven't used Quora, so I don't know how people actually get traffic from Quora. It's not something that I use for traffic. I've used it for answering questions, and I've used it to ask questions, but I haven't used it for traffic. So this is something completely new to me. Now, what I can do is go over to my bonus page, have a look at the bonuses I have available and the prices of this product called Charm. So here we are on my bonus page, and the details for Charm. There's $7 million worth of digital products have been sold. And from January of 2021, they drove 1,449 affiliate sales to partners launches. So this is a unique fresh product that will practically sell itself. Basically, all of the copy design, VSLs, long story, short story, the guarantee that the traffic converts, period. Now, the prices on this product, $17 on the front end. And then you've got a one-time offer number 1, $39. One-time offer number 2, $297. One-time offer number 3, $39. One-time offer number 4, $39. And one-time offer number 5, $39. Now, if you click onto my bonus page, you can take a look at your leisure, have a look and see what the upsells are all about. But mainly, you've got extras with done-for-you templates and click-and-go campaigns and things like that. So you can take a look and read through my bonus page. Now, any one of these gold buttons on this page will take you through to the sales page for Charm. Let's have a look at the bonuses that I have available if you decide to pick this up through my link. Now, the first bonus here is access to Enigma, and that was the first 12 hours only. And bonus number 2 is accelerating your traffic with Bing. And bonus number 3 is the content curation hack. And bonus number 4 is a product by the name of Gemini. Now, Gemini is a product that was created by John Armstrong, and it's a 3-in-1 email marketing software, which basically John Armstrong tells you that email marketing has the highest ROI, return on investment. And so this Gemini product is a platform to help you with email marketing. 3-in-1 software. So, and bonus number 5 is all of the vendor bonuses are still available if you decide to pick up Charm through my link, which is the first link in the description box below this video. So now that we've been and had a look at the bonuses for Charm, and we know what the prices are and the funnels, let's go and have a look at what's inside the software. So here we are inside of the software for Charm, and down this left hand side there is the training, which will be the over-the-shoulder videos on how to use the software. Now, I don't have access to the training because this is a JV only access to this members area, and so I do have access to the dashboard and some of the links on the other left hand side there. Now, when you're in the dashboard, what you can see is you've got the Warrior Plus latest deals coming up on the front page, and so that is like where you would start to get your affiliate links. There's also the ClickBank platform, which is also integrated into the software here. So there's 2 platforms, Warrior Plus and ClickBank, where you can go and find affiliate links that you want to promote and drive traffic to. So then you've got the Quora questions, how you ask questions. Now that opens up add a question, my questions. So basically that's where you can put your questions in. Then you've got your Quora link page, create a link and reports. And then you've got your URL shorteners, which are built into the platform, which you can see that there's a bit.ly URL shortener and rebrandly, which means that you can get rid of any long affiliate links by putting them into bit.ly or rebrandly. Then you've got a social blaster, which is like links where you can use your link to blast out to a lot of other different places. Facebook Messenger, Twitter, Pinterest, WhatsApp. So all of these places you can actually put your link to these particular platforms. Then you've got the hashtag finder, which you can click and search for different hashtags, like the make money online, where you can click and get this hashtags for that particular keyword. So you're just basically putting something in like make money online. And then what you do is you click analysis, and then it will bring in all of the hashtags that you can use around your promotions if you're looking at make money online. So that is all of the hashtags that it's found for you already. So you don't have to think too hard, you just have to type it in and click the button. And then you've got the Quora Automation, which is on the next part here, the Quora backlinks, connect it to Facebook and Instagram, and then you've got your Quora and Facebook, Quora and Instagram, and then you've got your resyndication and your auto posting, which is further down here. And you've got text message on autopilot, email on autopilot. Now this is the passive edition, which must be the upgrade. And then you've got your e-commerce autopilot and a website comparison. Now all of this is inside of the software. And then that's the agency part at the bottom there, which is obviously another upgrade. So this is the inside of the dashboard for Charm. Now I'm a little bit disappointed that there isn't any other over-the-shoulder training for this product, or like the demo video. It's not very friendly. I think I haven't seen anything that actually helps you to understand the information inside of the dashboard, which is a little bit strange. Anyway, this is Charm. Now, if you're already a marketer on Quora, you'll know about how to use Quora as a marketing. And this product will probably help you to automate what you do with your marketing on Quora. So that is it basically, and for this product. Now, if you like these review videos, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you hit the notification bell, you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So that's all I have. I will see you on the next review video, and bye for now.